There it is, guys. It's been stored away over the winter. I'm ready to get back out and work on it. I am back at it again. Another unboxing. Really light. It's only like 5 pounds. Carburetor. The exhaust. This should be the carburetor. Need to be really careful with this. Yeah, that's a gasket. This is a spark plug. It seems like my sprocket hasn't came in yet. So here's the gas line carburetor. A normal 2-stroke carburetor with a gasket, and here's the air filter. I probably won't be using this. And it also came with a spark plug, which is always good. So before I put the carburetor onto the motorized bike, I mess with all the gas and everything, I want to change the jet, the carburetor jet, so before I get all the fuel and stuff in it. So I'm wanting to put like a bigger jet, use more fuel. There it is. That's what I'm looking for. It came with like 4 or 5 different types of jet sizes. So it came with multiple one of these. It ranges from 65 all the way up to 85. So I'm not really sure which one to use. I'm really wanting to use the biggest one. So let's go for an 85. See how that works. I'm gonna put the air filter on now. Okay, so now I finally got the air filter onto the carburetor. The crappy exhaust and on with the new. Just need to tighten on those bolts, and then I could finally see what it actually sounds like. And there's a conflict. What we rigged up over here, it's gonna be touching the carburetor. I'm gonna have to flip the carburetor around this side to point out this side, so that this exhaust ain't gonna be rubbing up against it. So we encountered a minor inconvenience where the carburetor would rub it against the clutch, like right there, and then it would not work that good, and it would just rub a hole in the bottom of the carburetor. So we're gonna have to try to fix that. Right now we're trying to bend the clutch down just a little bit, so that it'd be clear of the carburetor, but still be able to work. They got the new exhaust on to the motorized bicycle, and there's going to be absolutely no clearance of where the leg is going to be, so that could easily burn your leg. So we're going to have to somehow wrap that up with some really high temperature frost wrap or something like that. Been putting off fixing this because I have an idea though, because the little metal piece that was in here broke off where you're supposed to drill a hole in the actual handlebar, and now the kill switch and the whole throttle moves, and that means that you won't be able to brake. See, it obstructs the brakes, so I need to fix that. Getting some Loctite. Alright, gas has to be on. It's going up. Flush. Choke. Yeah, it's going the whole way, baby. Then just pull the choke like that. Huh. I guess once you warm it up, sounds like it's idling good. Sounds like it's idling good. How did it die?
It's out of gas. Very little.
This thing is so freaking fun. It's so fast, but sketchy as crap. See how fast I get it. But first, let's see what speed I got it on. Top speed was 23. That's terrible. Distance was 3 miles. Let's stop that. That's terrible. That's actually slower. That's a problem. So guys, we finally got everything onto the bike. I just got finished riding it. Now, for some reason, after we put all the modifications on, the it goes a whole lot slower than it did originally. Now, if y'all know anything that I could do to help it, please comment below, because I have no idea what's wrong. I think I might have put too much oil in the gas, so next time I'm going to try to lean it out, make it a little leaner, and see if that helps it. If it don't, then I have no clue. I know that the exhaust is fine. I don't think the exhaust is the problem. I think the carburetor is the problem, which I changed the 85 jet to the 65, so I think that's better, but other than that, I don't know what the problem is. So if y'all have any idea, please tell me down below. I really do not want to actually get into the engine itself after I used it to try to port it or anything, because I prefer to do that on a non-used engine in itself. If y'all enjoyed this video, please subscribe if you want to see more, and please like the video if you really liked it. I'm wanting to learn how to fix the problems with this bike, and I want to see if I could actually make it run a whole lot better, because right now it's bogging down a whole lot. So I'll see you on the next video.